Liliana from Vanillandcanela here. Welcome back to my channel and to Vlogtober. So today is DIY slash home decor stuff, and there's no DIYs, but there's plenty of home decor. Basically, let me show you. This is what my entryway looks like. This bit, and then coats over here, and then that's for recycling, but that bit there. Now that we have been here for a little while, this setup there, it's really not working for me. Something that has to stay there is the phone and the modem. There's nowhere else where they can go, but I want to change up the look, so I'm going to do that for you, and I'm going to bring you along. This is a good time for me to remind you that if you are new to my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe, and don't forget to give me a thumbs up. It helps a lot, and let's get straight into it. The first thing I'm going to do is take everything off and wipe it down. I'm just using Method multi-surface and a microfiber cloth. I am now gonna go through these boxes and make sure that all the winter stuff is there and all the summer can go upstairs. Let's sort out the coats. So I brought down my laundry basket so I could add everything in there. All these coats and scarves, whatever, are going to be washed and put away, ready for the next season. And now it looks a little bit better, a little less cluttered. Now I've put everything on the stairs, but this box here is where we decided to keep all our keys. So I'm going to empty that out because it's basically just a mess. I'm going to show you. grouped the keys, and that is where they stay. It's basically there next to the coats. And then I got rid of all the stuff, and I'm going to keep this here. This is here because it's going to go in my car. This is one of the pound, like when you need to get a trolley and you need to put a pound in, this is a good thing to have. And the amount of times I need a pound and don't have it, so I'm going to keep this in the car. So this is how it's looking so far. I've put those sunflowers here. Now, do you guys like it like that? Or what about this? Like that. I've added a few more sprigs. I think these are like magnolia. They're only from Poundland from last year, I think. What do you think? Less is more? What about now? I'm not convinced, but I do want it to give it a bit of a fall vibe. I intend to get more fresh pumpkins for the front door and for here and for the kitchen, but what do we think? I keep this here, has like bits and bob, like takeaway menus and a few bits, and then there's some pens in there. I've just put that was on my front door, so I've put that there. Simple, clean. What about now? Do you guys prefer that? Decisions, decisions, decisions. I'm going to leave it like that for now. Got the other pumpkin here. I'm put it. Yeah, going to leave it, and I'll probably swap it again. Now we're going to handle that. I've put that up for sale, that oak bit. Sorry if it's getting a bit dark. So I'm going to rejig that. So I don't love that. It was in my office, but it's actually just getting in the way. So I thought I would bring it here. It's really low. But then I'm thinking, excuse that noise, I've put all the coats in the washing machine to get washed. But I was thinking that once Paul gets back, maybe we'll put some bookshelves on this side. Something like that. I would actually like to get a small desk, like really small desk in here, because I have a problem using my office because it's the furthest away from our modem. A lot of times I don't get Wi-Fi there, so kind of defeats the purpose, sorry. So it will do for now. And maybe, yeah, if I could imagine just Paul putting a load of shelves here. I don't know. But what I'm left with is, ta-da! So some of this stuff I'm going to keep downstairs, and then other stuff I might take upstairs. So let's go. So now I just need to give a quick vacuum around. I'm going to donate that. You guys remember that I did Paul's wardrobe. I've actually just sold this lot and someone's coming to collect it, so that's why it's there. But let's do a quick vac. So this is the final look. I actually ended up swapping the long little tray that I had here for this. I think this is more in keeping with the fall. There you go. It's really, really pretty. Just got my keys in there. And I think I'm gonna leave it like this for now. I may add a candle there so I can put it on, and it always smells nice. But everything's been organized and cleaned. The mat says welcome. And here, sorry, this is in the corner here until it's sold, and there it just looks like that.